Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this P.F. Chang's home menu beef and broccoli. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your beef and broccoli. You're going to need a spoon or tongs or something to stir it with as you go, some scissors or a knife to open up your package with, a food thermometer so that we can test to make sure that it's done, and then we need a large skillet with a lid on it. First thing that we need to do is preheat our skillet with the lid off over medium-high for around 2 minutes. All right, our skillet is preheated. We're gonna go ahead and cut open the top of our meal and just pop it right into our pan. I'm gonna evenly distribute it, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cover that and let it cook for 4 minutes. All right, it has been 4 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and remove our lid, and we're just gonna stir this and let it continue to cook for another 6 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce is thickened. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, so it has been an additional 6 minutes. We're just gonna go ahead and check our internal temperature and make sure that everything is fully cooked. All right, so we have reached that 165-degree temperature. We are good to go. Here is our completed P.F. Chang's home menu beef and broccoli. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.